Hello guys and welcome sa pinaka-boring at pinaka-mahirap na parte ng ating physique transformation, ang diet and nutrition. Boring kasi kumpara sa ating mga home workouts where we feel like a total badass. We're instead gonna be doing a lot of this. At syempre mahirap because unlike working out which only takes about an hour or so every day to complete, when it comes to diet and nutrition, kailangan naka-dial in tayo from the moment we wake up hanggang sa pagtulog natin. Otherwise, magsasayang lang tayo ng pagod. So I hope you're ready because it's time to separate the men from the boys, the ladies from the sissies, and the matatapang from the mahihinang nilalang.
Ako, kasaktan mo ako, hindi kita papatulan. Bakit? Kasi mahina ka lang nilalang.
So, ang una nating dapat gawin is to find out what our total daily energy expenditure or TDEE is. It's also known as our maintenance calories. So basically, ang TDEE ay ang total number of calories na binaburn ng ating katawan on a daily basis, be it through bodily functions like beating your heart, breathing, digesting food. Kasama na rin dyan yung ating daily activities like working out, exercise, cardio, and whatnot. So to know our TDEE, all you have to do is go to a website called tdeecalculator.net. It's this one. Don't worry, meron tayong link sa baba ng video na to so you can check it out. And obviously, we have to input our gender, age, I'm 29 years old. Your weight, I'm currently at 179 pounds. Your height, I am 5 feet 10 inches tall. And for the activity level, I do workout every day. Pero mas maganda na conservative tayo sa portion na to. So instead of 6 to 7 days a week, I'll just go for moderate exercise 3 to 5 days a week. So you have to be honest with yourself. Gaano ka ba talaga ka-aktibo every single week? As for the body fat percentage, this is completely optional. So let's not worry about that for now. Now we have to click calculate, which will bring us to the next page. Kung gusto nyong basahin ang lahat ng ito, go ahead, do that. But for the sake of this video, ang kailangan lang natin ay ang mga sumusunod. Our TDEE or maintenance calories, for me it's 2,764. Of course, minus 500 calories, which gives me about 2,264 calories every day. Now, you might be wondering kung saan ba nanggaling yung 500 calories na subtract natin sa ating TDEE. That 500 calories is what we call our calorie deficit. Now, in case you didn't know, 3,500 calories is equivalent to 1 pound of body weight, which means kung magbabawas tayo ng 500 calories from our TDEE every day, multiply that by 7 days, it will give us that magic number of 3,500 calories, which means every single week, makakapagbawas tayo ng 1 pound of body weight. Now, I know what you're thinking. Atlas, kung ganun pala, di gawin na nating 1,000 calories instead of 500 calories lang yung ating daily caloric deficit para mas mabilis yung ating fat loss. Well, yeah, technically you can do that, but I highly suggest you don't do it. Kasi let's say, for example, your TDEE is 2,500 calories. Tapos kung ikakat mo yan by 1,000 calories, it will bring it down to just 1,500 calories, which based on my personal experience, naku, napaka-konti ng 1,500 calories. You will not survive, you'll end up binge eating, and eventually you're just gonna give up. Now, going back to the website, ang susunod na kailangan natin ay ang ating macronutrients. So if you can just scroll down, here it is. Basically, macronutrients, yan ang ating mga protein, fats, and carbs. And among the three of those, pinaka-importante para sa atin ang protein. Actually, we need around 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight, which means, for me, since I'm 179 pounds, I need about 143 to 179 grams of protein every day para ma-maintain ko yung aking muscles during my cut. May mga nagsasabing kailangan mo ng mas maraming protein, some up to 1.5 grams per pound of body weight, pero based on my experience, actually just make it easier for yourself and your creatinine levels by sticking to the range that I previously mentioned, which is 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. But anyway, under macronutrients, may makikita kayong tatlong options. We have maintenance, we have cutting, and bulking. And since ang goal natin is to lose weight, let's just select cutting for now. Now, we need to choose one of 3 options and depende kung malakas kayo sa kanin o hindi. You can either go low carb, moderate carb, or heck, if you want, you can even go high carb. But for me personally, I just stick to moderate carb, which in my opinion gives you the best macronutrient ratio of 35% carbs, 198 grams, that's plenty for me. 30% protein, 170 grams, pasok yan sa ating range kanina. And lastly, 88 grams of fats for 35%. And that's it. Ngayong alam na natin ang ating calories and macros, we can go to step 2. Okay guys, so ang susunod na kailangan natin gawin is to go to the Play Store or App Store if you have iOS and download MyFitnessPal. Naka-download na sa smartphone ko, so I'll just go ahead and open it. All you have to do is go through the entire sign-up process at kung nakapag-sign up na kayo, I want you to go to the Me tab na nasa lower right corner, this one. Now, go down and go to Update Goals. Now, under Nutrition Goals, I want you to click on Calorie, Carbs, Protein, and Fat Goals. Ngayon, kailangan natin i-input yung mga numbers na nakuha natin from the website. Calories, for me, it's 2,264. Yun, pasok na, 198 grams of carbs. Protein, 170 grams. Fat, 88 grams. And that completes my macronutrient goals every day. Now, take note guys that you can actually play around with these numbers for as long as you keep your protein intake the same. So, I'm gonna keep it 170 grams. And on certain days na, for example, kailangan ko ng mas maraming carbohydrates because maybe I went for a run, I can always amp it up to 40%, tapos babaan ko lang yung aking fats. Or let's say, for example, you want to eat more eggs on your diet, which by the way, eggs are very high in fat. So all you need to do is adjust accordingly. Gawin kong 40 grams yung aking fats, tapos babaan ko yung aking carbohydrates into 30. So yun, ganun lang. So you can manipulate between the carbs and the fats for as long as you stick to your protein goals every day. Very important yung ating protein. Okay? Anyway, babalik ko muna to sa default. So, there we go. Now that we're all set, you have your macronutrients, meron na rin kayong MyFitnessPal app. Tuturuan ko naman kayo paano mag-log ng ating mga kinakain. First of all, kailangan nyo ng digital food scale na nabibili sa Lazada for very cheap. I believe they range from about 200 pesos all the way up to 1,500 pesos depending on the quality. For now, you can make do with the cheaper ones so long as they are digital. Okay, let's say for example, gusto mong kumain ng saging. All you have to do is weigh it. It says 83 grams. Next, open MyFitnessPal and then click on Add Food. Let's say kinain mo siya ng breakfast. Search for banana if you're a first-time user. Since matagal na siyang nasa database ko, I'm just gonna click on banana. And pay attention to this one guys. It says serving size is 100 grams. We have to input number of servings. Simple arithmetic, 0.83 for 83 grams. And click on the check button. And there it is. Nasa breakfast na natin yung 83 grams na saging. Ang kagandahan ng MyFitnessPal is that it can read barcodes. Mapa Century Tuna, Quaker Oats, peanut butter, halos lahat na ata ng brand din nasa database na nila. So that means more food choices. Basta ang importante lang is that you log everything that you eat to the last gram. And by the end of the day, tignan mo lang kung nahit mo yung mga macros mo and that you're within your caloric budget. If you do that successfully, then you'll be on your way to making amazing progress. And there you have it. Sana po may natutunan kayo sa video na to. At kung maaari, please give it a thumbs up. At syempre, huwag po sana nating kalilimutang mag-subscribe dahil marami pa akong inihandang videos para sa inyo in the future. Until then, stay safe and stay motivated.